Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
By now, you're correctly getting the impression that data validation is critically important. We spend a lot of time discussing it because we do a lot of it. Today, we'll talk about a cross-variable validation rule. There are many examples. In the medical realm, not every question applies to all genders, or if you answer no to the allergy question, there should be no allergens. In my data here, I have a variable called dead on arrival, but there's also one down below called died in hospital. Now, it can't be both. And I'm just going to check, which will also constitute a process evaluation exercise. We go to cross-variable rules. There aren't any. We'll define one. We have to give it a good name. So let's call ours died twice. And the key is to construct a logical expression that when it evaluates to 1 or true, then that would be a violation. So let's go down. We'll get our dead on arrival variable, and if that equals 1, let's just do a parentheses around this to keep everything together, and we'll put an and. So if they're both 1, let's put our parentheses in here, and then died in hospital equals 1. That looks good. Let's try that. We'll say continue. And now we're going to apply that rule. And so let's just say, okay. In our output, we see that there were 27 cross-variable validations. And then down below, we see the exact cases where that happened. So there's lots of examples, and this is all building up to a very powerful feature I can't wait to tell you about in the next video. So come back and see us again.